Everyone tells you change your life in 21 days, but no one tells you how. Hello and welcome to Big Basket's YouTube channel. I'm Advika Singh, a MBBS intern. You can imagine how chaotic and busy my days are. But today I'm sharing 10 simple habits that have helped me stay focused, balanced and in control of my day. So let's begin. No phone for the first hour. No scrolling, no emails, just silence. The kind we rarely get anymore. The first hour without my phone feels strange at first, like something's missing. But slowly, that emptiness starts to feel like space. Space for my own thoughts instead of the world's noise. Sometimes the only way to reconnect with yourself is to disconnect from everything else. Daily affirmations in the mirror. Affirmations aren't just random words.
Good things are headed on my way.
They're like little reminders for your brain. When I say I'm in progress, not behind,
I'm in progress, not behind.
It doesn't fix everything right away, but it stops that negative loop for a second.
I'm grateful for my health, wealth, and happiness.
And that pause lets my mind think, hey, maybe I'm actually doing okay. The more I say it, the more it sticks, slowly changing how I see myself and deal with stuff.
Morning affirmations done. Now I'm gonna go take a quick bath. I need to wash my hair today. So yeah, let's go.
Gratitude journaling. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude is mental skincare. Every morning, I write down 3 things. Waking up on time, a warm cup of chai, and hot shower. Small ordinary things I usually overlook. But when I name them, I feel them more. It's not about toxic positivity. It's about reminding myself that even in the chaos, something good exists. And that's enough to begin the day with a little more light.
Okay guys, so now I'm all ready. I am quickly going to be packing my bag and I need to go down for having breakfast. I'm really hungry, so quickly going to be doing that. And then after that, we are leaving to the hospital. I am officially a doctor now, so I'm going to go to a hospital which is outside my campus. And yeah, it's going to be really interesting, so let's go.
Reading. We all know how good reading is for us. But let's be real, life gets busy. We put it off thinking we need a whole hour or a full chapter. But honestly, just one page is enough to start. I try to read even on my way from home to the hospital. One page might not seem like much, but over time it adds up and makes a real difference. Walk 10k steps daily. I used to think walking didn't really make much of a difference. But then I saw this video of a guy who walked 10k steps every day for 2 weeks and his transformation was seriously inspiring. So I've decided to start aiming for at least 8k steps daily, and hopefully I'll work my way up to hitting that 10k step goal soon. Replace snacking with fruits or healthier alternatives. I don't always eat perfect. I crave chips and chocolates like anyone else. But instead of cutting everything out, I've started replacing one snack a day with something that still feels good.
Okay, I am really hungry and I need to make a snack for myself. And instead of Maggie, this time I ordered oats. Takes the same amount of time as it would to make Maggie, but just a healthier alternative.
Fresh fruit, roasted makhana, dates with peanut butter, oats, simple swaps. The trick? Make them easy to grab. I usually order a bunch of fresh fruits and dry snacks on Big Basket, so they're always stocked. Mangoes. Damn! Take out time for yourself. One non-negotiable in my day is carving out at least 20 minutes just for myself. Sometimes I dance around in the room, other times I'm editing videos, but lately I've been diving into a really good novel. It's a small break from the constant rush of hospital rounds and endless to-do lists. A moment to breathe, escape and recharge. Honestly, we all need that little pocket of time to just be without any pressure or expectations. Plan your day before sleeping.
It is 11:54 p.m. now. I'm gonna be making my to-do list for tomorrow.
A quick 5-minute brain dump before I go to sleep makes all the difference for the next day. It clears out all the random thoughts, to-dos and worries swirling in my head, so I'm not waking up feeling overwhelmed. No decision fatigue, no chaos, just a smoother, calmer morning where I actually know what I need to focus on. It's like giving my brain a little reset button before I rest. Simple little things like brushing my teeth or doing my nighttime skincare routine might seem small, but they really help me to chill out and get ready to sleep. Plus, sticking to these small habits keeps me disciplined, which makes the rest of my day easier to handle. It's crazy how something so simple can make a big difference. Go 30 minutes before sleep time. We all know how it goes. You say you'll sleep by 11 p.m., but suddenly it's 2 a.m. The best way I found to avoid that is to get into bed at least 30 minutes before you actually want to sleep. It gives your brain time to slow down and helps build a natural routine. So falling asleep feels way easier. These habits don't cost a thing. They just need your intention. Start with any 3 that feel right and stick with them for 21 days. The version of you you're dreaming of, they're not made overnight. They're built one day at a time.
And now it's time for the giveaway question. Which book was I reading today? Comment down below and stand a chance to win an amazing voucher from Big Basket. Make sure you like and share this video with a friend that you want to try these habits with. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.